using Docs or using EPUB or Mobi. And you can use websites such as... Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can create an ebook using Canva. So there are a lot of ebook creators or writing softwares that you can use online in order to write ebook. But did you know that you can also do it on Canva? And not only can you put your story in and write your story, but you can also design it and put some elements in order to spice up everything, and maybe even create a cover photo or book cover as well. So let's start with how you can do it. So now we're going to be asked, what will you design today? I'm just going to type in ebook and it will give us a template. So let's go for the suggested templates that we have here available. So these are the covers that we can use, and I think I like this one. So a lot of these are not free, but I'm going to be using this one that is free so that you can come along with me to the cliff under the tree. I'm just joking. I'm just singing a song from Adventure Time. So we can start from here. We can add our name, my name, change the title, blah blah blah. Then we can add our page. Maybe we can add another page for the chapters that are available. The writing part, let's turn this into white because this is where the story will start. So let's put the same thing here, chapter 1 introduction on the top of the page. Now it's up to you, whatever font you want to use for this. And this, all right. So we have now that, and then we can copy in my story that I've written. So once you're done, you make sure that you've set the file type to PDF, print because it is the best for printing, print, and then click on download and it should download the rest. But make sure that you've chosen all of the pages that you want to download so that you won't be missing out on anything. So once you've downloaded this, we all know that the supported formats for most ebooks such as Kindle on Amazon is using the Kindle file format, using Docs, or using EPUB or Mobi. And you can use websites such as PDF to EPUB in order to convert your file into EPUB for free so that it won't be such a hassle publishing your ebook to those said websites. So you can just choose one of these websites. I'm going to show you how you can do it. I'm just going to select the file that we downloaded from Canva just now. Go to downloads, documents, and then this one. And we go convert. Some of these websites may be dangerous, so you better be careful in choosing websites that you want to download and make sure that it has some credentials, make sure that it looks safe, make sure that it's presentable and that it's not filled with ads, because usually some that are filled with ads might have some virus. So this is just one way of converting your PDF file into EPUB, and it's also very nice when you're reading books. I also suggest using EPUBs when you're reading books because it makes it feel more like a book rather than just a file that you can scroll along from top to bottom. So that's it. That is how you can create ebooks using Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.